Okay, so this is the output for your paired samples t-test. All right, so your first table up here is your paired sample statistics. This is just your descriptive stats looking at your means, the number of people in your study, your standard deviation, the standard error of the mean. Okay, you have another table which is your paired samples correlations, and this is the correlation between those two groups and the data here. And the most important table to look at is your paired samples t-test. So this is just the difference in the means. You also have a t-value. All right, so again, your t-statistic, the way that it's calculated, includes the means, the ends, and the standard deviation. All right, and then you get your probability value, and this is the value that we want to have less than 0.05 in order for us to say there is a significant difference between 3.75 and 5.0. So you might be thinking this, okay, but in the last example, there was not a significant difference. Okay, so what we have to remember here is that we're assuming in this case that it's the same 12 people. All right. And so that's when you look at the calculation and how that is ultimately formulated. It's a little different on how an independent and a dependent t-test is calculated. So in this instance, it is telling us there is a significant difference between 3.75 and 5.0. So that is your interpretation. Those are the tables that you look at to ultimately interpret a dependent t-test.